Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to access blocked site in Google Chrome. So firstly, open the Google Chrome browser and right here extensions Chrome. Click on this, or you can go to this three dot icon which is top right corner. Go to extensions, click on Visit Chrome Web Store, and then you have to write here browser VPN. Hit enter. Then you can see the first option, browser VPN. Click on this and choose add to Chrome. Click on add extension, and now it is added to extension. If you click on this, you can see this from here. This one browsec VPN. You have to just click on this pin option. This one, click on pin and it will be pinned here, and go to this arc like icon. Click on this and click on accept start VPN, and you can change to any country you want. You have to click on change and you can change it like this. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now if you go to any browser, any website you want, it will not have a problem because you have the VPN. So goodbye guys, take care.